Breakfast is served. Enjoy your day at school. How did your day go? Do you enjoy school? Are you classmates nice? I'm not sure about that. I'm here for you, darling. It's all right, stop those tears. Play with your sister. Okay. How are you feeling now? It's not the end of the world. Don't stress about it. Please don't be rude. You're growing up so quickly. Did you understand this part? What bedtime story would you like tonight? You're such a great listener. Are you feeling hungry? What would you like to eat? Stay out of the dirty puddle. Here's an ice cream for you, champ. Be patient, please. Let's practice new words together. Keep the noise down. Kindly put your shoes on the rack. Speak up if you need help. That was a smart decision. Don't touch that, it's really hot. Blow out the candles, sweetie. Can you lower the music? Please. Take it slow, one step at a time. That's enough cake for now. What do you say? Please speak softly. Don't be scared. Time to study. Put away your phone. No more fighting. Over it. Okay. Can't you help me fold the laundry? It's time to stop playing games. Mom, I got an A.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment and share.